Hello, my friends. Welcome to Magic Trading. Here is the second day of the week. Today is Tuesday. As you see with me here, as you know, my strategy before I enter to a trade, I must do something like install my indicator. Sorry. So, as you see here, this is this yellow. It means that's the end of the previous day. Look with me. This is the yesterday, the first day of the week, the Monday. Here we are trading on gold versus the US dollar. Okay, and today is the Tuesday. The first thing I must do the midnight depth. Here the end of the session. This is in yellow point is the midnight depth. Okay, I place the midnight depth because gold respects the midnight depth, and I separate the previous day. After that, what I do, I see the market in the 13 minutes, and also I see the market in the 15 minutes to have an idea if the market's gonna be up or gonna be down. Okay, today I haven't trade because I never trade when the market is in horizontal way. I trade only if he up or if he down. Okay. The second thing that I do, as you know, I use the pivot point to know the place where I can enter to a trade. And the pivot point is very important. Also, there is the RSI to know the divergence and the convergence place. The volume, always use the volume to enter to a trade. And you never trade without volume. Okay. What we have here, I will tell you what happened in this day. In this day, what I notice that that is a range. So it's horizontal, it's no up, no down. But I think tomorrow it's gonna be up. Why? Look with me here. Here, yesterday, this is a bottom. Okay. And today, there is another bottom, more than this. So it's down. But when I see on the RSI, I see a divergence. Look, divergence is up. Okay. What this means? This means that tomorrow the market is gonna be up. Tomorrow or after tomorrow. Believe me, this is a divergence. Here the market is down, but the RSI is up. Tomorrow or after tomorrow, the market is gonna be gonna be up. Okay. And also when we see in the candlestick, here is a strong resistance. The candlestick here is the hammer, the market up. But here also we have a piercing pattern. This one called the piercing pattern because the bullish candlestick is enter more than the half of the bearish candlestick. Okay. Today I will do nothing. I will wait for tomorrow to see what happened. But I know I will get the best place to enter to this market. I will stay when the market broke this 209 indicator. When he's broke and he come back again, I will enter on that point with a good profit. See you in the next episode.